Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nutribullet parts is probably one of the most important factors to consider if you want to keep your Nutribullet in top working condition and continue enjoying delicious, healthy smoothies and blends for years to come. In this video, we will explore the various replacement parts available for Nutribullet, discussing their features, benefits, and compatibility, helping you make informed decisions and keep your Nutribullet running smoothly. Number 5. Nutribullet 600 Extractor Blade. This is the replacement extractor blade for your Nutribullet 600. It's made from durable stainless steel and will keep your smoothies blending perfectly. For the best results, it's recommended to replace it every 6 months. This ensures your Nutribullet continues to perform at its peak. It's simple to install, just replace your old blade with this one. Get back to making delicious, healthy smoothies in seconds. This package includes one emulsifier cross-blade assembly. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel, plastic, and silicone. These materials ensure long-lasting durability and performance. Remember, it is only compatible with the Nutribullet 600 model. Please check your model number before purchasing. What we like? It's the genuine Nutribullet blade, designed specifically for the Nutribullet 600. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you own a Nutribullet 600 and want optimal performance, this is the best choice for you. What people say? Perfect fit. Built well. Works great. It's just as sharp as my original blade and takes just as long to blend my smoothies. It's made thousands of smoothies with frozen berries, frozen bananas, and still works strong. Works great with the original Magic Bullet blender, fits perfectly and is a trustworthy product. Number 4. NutriBullet Replacement Blade. It fits Nutribullet 600W and 900W blenders, including models NBR 0601, NBR 1201, NB101, NB101B, NB101S, NB9-1301, and NB201. Please check your model number for compatibility. It's not for all Nutribullet models. The package includes one replacement cross-blade assembly and a silicone rubber gasket O-ring, which is already pre-installed. It's made of durable stainless steel and plastic. Its high-speed, food-grade stainless steel blades are designed for powerful blending. The silicone seal prevents leaks, and it's easy to clean. Before using it, ensure the silicone O-ring is securely in place. Also, check the black gear at the bottom. You can tighten it if needed. This is a replacement blade, not an original Nutribullet part. It's not compatible with Magic Bullet, NutriBullet RX, NutriBullet Pro Plus, NutriBullet Lean, Baby Bullet, or Nutri Ninja blenders. What we like? This blade fits both 600W and 900W Nutribullet models. The included silicone gasket creates an airtight seal, preventing leaks. If you need a reliable and compatible replacement, this is the one for you. What people say? It fits and works as designed. It saved me from purchasing a new blender when blade was the only part that wasn't working. Old was loud and leaked. New one is quiet and doesn't leak. Works just as well as the original blades. Number 3. NutriBullet Replacement Blades. These replacement blades are made from food-grade plastic and high-strength stainless steel. They're built to last and provide efficient blending. It fits 600W and Pro 900W Nutribullet models. Please check your model number to ensure compatibility. The 6-fin design quickly breaks down tough ingredients, releasing essential nutrients. Get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. The package includes 2 extractor blades, gaskets, shock pads, a motor top base gear, and a black rubber gear. Everything you need for a quick replacement. These blades are perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and simple to install. They're great for chopping, grating, and blending. Enjoy perfectly smooth results every time. What we like? Get 2 premium blades for the price of one. These blades are made from high-quality materials for fast and efficient blending. If you want extra value and superior performance, this is the perfect option. What people say? What a difference these new blades made. My Nutribullet works like new again. Fit and worked perfectly. Worked great. I was able to replace the defective original blade with this one and saved having to purchase an entirely new blender. Number 2. NutriBullet Replacement Set. Give your NutriBullet a fresh start with this complete replacement set. It's everything you need to keep blending up delicious and healthy smoothies. This set comes with 2 large 32-ounce cups, perfect for making big batches of your favorite blends. Enjoy extra capacity for your smoothies and shakes. The included premium extractor blade ensures efficient blending and smooth results every time. It's made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. The flip-top lid makes it easy to take your creations on the go. Enjoy your healthy drinks anywhere, anytime. Cleaning up is a breeze. All components are dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your healthy drinks. This replacement set is specifically designed for NutriBullet 600W and 900W models. Please check the images to confirm compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This set includes everything you need: 2 large cups, a blade, lids, and more. It's perfect for making large batches of smoothies or other blended drinks. If you're looking for a comprehensive replacement set, this is it. What people say. The blades are so sharp, and the size is perfect for what I need. Seems like very good quality and speed. Cleans very easy and it's easy to use. Exactly what I imagined. Fit perfectly on my NutriBullet. Blades are sharp and new. Really like the measuring amounts on the side of the cup. When my order arrived, I was thrilled to see the replacement cutter was exactly like the original, and the cups also seem to be just like the originals that came with the machine in the first place, except that these cups are larger than the originals. Number 1. QUIENKITCH NutriBullet Replacement Cup. These replacement cups are perfect if you've lost or broken your original NutriBullet cup. They're designed for easy use and cleaning. It seamlessly works with your NutriBullet 600W and 900W blenders. Enjoy your smoothies and shakes without any hassle. Made from high-quality, food-grade plastic, it ensures a smooth drinking experience every time. It's also safe for your health. Cleaning is a breeze. It's top-rack dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. With a generous 24-ounce capacity and compact design, it's perfect for your daily needs. The dimensions are 10 by 16.5 centimeters. The package contains one 24-ounce replacement cup. Get back to blending your favorite drinks today. These are not original NutriBullet products, but high-quality, compatible replacements. What we like. This replacement cup is made from food-grade plastic and is easy to clean in the dishwasher. It's a convenient and affordable way to replace a damaged or lost cup. If you just need a replacement cup, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.